ready. It's like a ready section bit. Make love, that's what they give it. Make love now, show love now. Make love now, show love now. Yeah, why is there so two of this thing?
They're not the same color.
But why is this only one?
I don't know.
I'm confused. I got to pack it. To see she's working. Mom, I thought she even said she's working.
Sorry. And like that, what time will be touching?
Very, very, very confused. Mom, do you know why?
Why?
Because the EP is supposed to be the same. So they know that. Take. I think. That one is not news. Good. It is. Hmm? You say or do you say
You did not break.
I said that it is same. Is this love? Oh, they're the same number. It's just like they have different color.
Why did you count the numbers like that?
You see how I count?
All her lips is, she's a baby. What is it?
Oh, okay. Let me count it very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. No.
Which who? What? He's doing what? I did not hear what you said.
She said to see when to go put her dating hand on her eye.
Okay, sorry.
Mom, is your ear blocked? Or are you too far to bed? Which one? Which option are you going to take?
Let's send down my hand.
What about this one? It's a baby.
Yes, easy. I'm fine. I'm doing fantastic. I'm doing great.
Mommy, let me check. Yes, this color. Jesus. I still gotta comb it. He said good. Let's How about Jeremiah?
Something like Jeremiah.
Like they want to do something like that for me. Like I have to say, my name is Kelvin, my brother name is Sonia, I'm a second of Sonia. Sorry, and then in 1997, when my mother went to heaven, she suddenly heard the devil to take it notice. The devil is a liar who will flog good of Uriah. If you think Uriah, go and ask Jeremiah in the book of Jeremiah. What if it's Jeremiah that is a liar who will flog good of Uriah? If you think I'm a liar, go and ask Jeremiah in the book of Jeremiah. Is that one better?